Hello students, how are you? Good. And me also good. How is going your study at home? आपकी पढ़ाई कैसी चल रही है घर पर? I hope you will be doing homework and practice daily at home. मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप अपने होमवर्क और प्रैक्टिस डेली घर पे कर रहे होंगे. Now let's start today's session. This session for UKG class and subject is math. Lecture number 10. Topic will be counting. In counting 150 onwards. आज आप काउंटिंग करेंगे और 150 के आगे की. I have already taught counting from 101 to 115 previous classes. मैं ऑलरेडी आपको करवा चुकी हूँ 101 से 150 तक काउंटिंग, जो हमारे पिछले लेक्चर्स थे, और आप अपनी नोटबुक भी ओपन करके देखेंगे, उसमें किया होगा. So let's repeat once again 101 to 150. So now open your notebook. Have you opened? Now you have to put here pencil. अब अपनी पेंसिल यहाँ पे रखिए. It's 101. 101. In previous lecture हम पिछले लेक्चर्स में ऐसे पढ़ रहे थे. We were saying like 101, 101. But now I will tell you कैसे बोलना है. Okay? अब से हम 101 को डायरेक्ट बोलेंगे. 101, 102 like this. Okay? Now speak with me. 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110. Now here in second line 111, 112. Yes, speak with me. 113. Very good. 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120. Now here in third row 121. Yes. Now it's ये क्या है? 122. Very good. 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130. Now here in this row 131. इस रो में क्या लिखा हुआ है? 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140. Now here in this row start from 141. Yes, very good. 142, 143. Yes, very good. Speak loudly. 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149 and 150. It's your counting 101 to 150. ये आपकी काउंटिंग हो गई 101 से 150 तक. Okay. I hope you have learned. मुझे उम्मीद है कि आपको ये लर्न हो गई होगी. So today I will teach you the counting from 150 onwards. आज मैं आपको काउंटिंग 151 से आगे की काउंटिंग सिखाऊंगी. तो so open your page in your notebook. Okay, now start. Have you opened? Yes, great. Then write down here, first word is capital and don't go away from this line. ये जो आपकी नोटबुक में रेड रंग की लाइन है, इससे दूर नहीं जाना है, दूर जाके वर्ड्स नहीं लिखने आपको. लेटर्स इसके पास में लिखोगे जैसे मैम लिख रही हैं. राइट डाउन कैपिटल D, then small a T E. It's your date. Then leave one box and write down here D A Y. A small, Y also small. It's your day. Now this side, write down here capital C, then dot W. It's your class work. C for class, W for work. जो आप मेरे साथ में काम करते हैं उसको क्लास वर्क समझिए. Now here write down C capital, then O small, U N small, yes, then T I N G. It's your counting. Counting means ginti. In Hindi we can say ginti. In English counting. Okay. Now leave one box and write down here 151 means 151. Then sleeping line, write down 160. It's your 160. ये आपका बन गया 160. Okay. So today हम पढ़ेंगे 151 to 160. Okay. Then okay, one more thing, date and day. Whenever you do this work, you have to write date and day according to that day. आपको डेट और डे उस दिन की मेंशन करनी है जिस दिन आप ये वर्क करते हो. Then here write down H. H for 100. T for tens. O ones. It means 100 tens ones. Then you have to write here. अब यहाँ पे लिखिए 151. It's 151. Very good. Then write down 152. 152. Now what comes here? यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? Yes, very good. 1 5. Very good. Then 3. Yes, 153. Now here 1 5 4. 154. Now here 1 5 5. You have to write 2 times 5. It's your 155. Then here 1 5 6. 156. Now here 1 5 157. Now here, and you have to write neat and clean. Okay, आपको सुंदर सुंदर साफ सुथरा काम करना है अपनी नोटबुक में. यस बेटा, इट्स लुक नाइस. ये अच्छा दिखाई देगा आपकी नोटबुक को. 158. It's your 158. Now here 159. 159. 160. It's 160. 160. Now repeat with me. 151. Yes. 152. 153. 154. 155. 156. 157. 158. 159. 160. Very good. Now this side, how many boxes? कितने boxes हैं यहाँ पर जो हम लीव करेंगे? Yes, 1 2 3 4 5. Here write down H. H for 100, T for tens, O for ones. 100 tens ones. Now here again write down 151. 151. 152. 100. Yes, you have to write 5 like this. First make sleeping line, then little bit standing line, then curve. It's your 5. Then write down here 3. Sleeping line, then slanting, then curve. It's your 3. 153. 154. Now here 155. 156. It's your 156. 157. 158. Yes. Now tell me what comes here. यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? Yes, 159. Now here 160. 160. Have you written? No. So do fast. जल्दी जल्दी कीजिए. चलो इतने हम एक बार रिवाइज कर लें. Okay. Speak with me. 151, 152, 153, 154, 155, 156, 157, 158, 159, 160. Yes. Now you have to write homework. You have to write here H. H for home. Yes, very good. W for work. It's your homework. Greh karya. Now sleeping line. Then write down capital L, small e, small a, small r, and small n. It's learn. Learn means yaad karna. Then slash and write down R. R should be capital. Then you have to write small e, small w, small r, I also small, T and E. Both are small. It's rewrite. Rewrite means दोबारा लिखना. Then leave one box and write down T-H-E. It's your T. Learn and rewrite the C dot classwork. How many times? 2 times. So you have to write here twice. 2 times classwork, 2 times homework. It's your homework for 2 days. ये आपका जो वर्क है 2 days का है. Okay. So you have to write 2 times homework and 2 times classwork. Subscribe this channel if you like my video. That is it, this lecture. Goodbye.